Welcome to the Cryptomus channel. Today we'll talk about our Telegram bot. Cryptomus has launched a Telegram bot that can be used as a full-fledged wallet. We've tried to incorporate all the necessary functions into it, and here's what we've come up with. 1. Withdrawal. Send cryptocurrency easily and quickly. Simply select the currency you want to send, enter the amount, and the wallet you're sending to. That's it. You've made a transfer right from the bot. 2. Receive. To receive a payment into your account, go to the Receive tab. Select the desired asset and network. A payment link will be generated. Please note that there may be a minimum deposit requirement. 3. Convert. The converter allows us to create an order for asset conversion. You can choose between market or limit orders. Market allows you to convert the selected asset in real time to USDT. Choose the asset you need and convert it. It's that simple. Limit, on the other hand, lets you create an order with a set limit. In other words, the asset will be converted when the price reaches the desired point. Select the currency you need, enter the amount, set the desired limit. Define the time frame for order execution. Great! You've created a limit order. Now let's explore more features of our Telegram bot. 4. You can transfer your assets to your business wallet. Choose the desired currency and enter the amount. That's it. Your assets are where you need them. 5. Lastly, you can check your balance and view your transaction history by selecting the appropriate function. You can view the history of both your personal and business wallets. That's it. We've gathered all the essential features and made using your wallet even more straightforward. Use our Telegram bot and simplify your life with Cryptomus.